But I really want to fly, Curie said, disappointed. I want to see the world from up above the trees, like the birds. I'll bet it's wonderful. I'm going to do an experiment, she said to herself, looking for feathers that had fallen to the ground. If I find enough, I can make myself some wings, just like a bird. It took a few days for Curie to gather enough feathers and string to create her own set of wings. She strapped them over her arms, then she jumped up and down, flapping like a bird. But she did not fly. The little robins couldn't help but laugh when they saw the squirrel. "Just you wait," Curie cried. Later, Curie watched children taking turns jumping on a trampoline. It almost looked like they were flying into the air. Maybe if I can get a little higher in the air to begin with, then I'll be able to catch a breeze with my wings and fly. If only I had a trampoline. The next day, Curie found a big spongy mushroom. "I'll bet this will help me spring into the air," she said. She poked some sticks into the ground beside the mushroom so Newton could measure how high she was able to go. Curie jumped and jumped, flapping her wings as hard as she could. "You got a little higher that time," Newton said. "But you're not really flying." "I guess jumping high and flying aren't nearly the same thing," Curie said sadly. "And a mushroom isn't a trampoline." "Let's think about it," Newton said to his little sister. "What exactly is flight?" Flight is what happens when an object moves through the air on its own, Curie answered. "That's right," Newton replied. "It's all about the air. Air is a gas we can't see or taste or touch, but we know it's there. It seems to me that the birds use the air somehow to fly. It's not just the muscles in their wings." Curie said, "But gravity pulls air down, just like it does every other thing. What we need is a way to defy gravity."